Spotify, like any other service, may interrupt your streaming sessions by displaying an error message that reads, "Something went wrong," on your Android or iPhone. If you need help with this cryptic error, we are here to help you fix it. A slow internet connection is a common problem that can affect your online activities. If you suspect internet issues, try streaming a video in an app like YouTube, or testing your internet activity via speed test, and check if both activities run smoothly. Spotify, like any other service, can experience server outages at times. To investigate this possibility, you can check Spotify's server status on a website like Down Detector. You'll notice huge spikes on the graph if the servers are down. Signing out of the Spotify app and back in is another quick fix for the "something went wrong" error in Spotify. This usually handles any account-related issues and gets the app to work again. To sign out of the Spotify app, tap the gear-shaped icon in the top right corner and scroll down to tap on Log Out. After you log out, sign back into your Spotify account and check if the error still occurs. Spotify cache data is the data that Spotify stores on your device to improve performance and reduce the app's data usage. Over time, this data could pile up and conflict with the app processes. To clear the cache data, open the Spotify app on your phone and tap the gear-shaped icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to tap the Clear Cache option. Select Clear Cache again when the confirmation prompt appears. If your phone clock is set to an incorrect date or time, apps like Spotify may struggle to fetch data from the server and fail to function. In such a scenario, correcting the date and time can help fix the issue. To do that on an Android device, open the Settings app on your phone and tap on System. Then tap on Date and Time. Finally, tap on Set Time Automatically. For iPhone users, open the Settings app and go to General. Tap on Date and Time and toggle on the switch next to Set Automatically. A VPN creates a virtual tunnel between your device and a server, encrypting your data and hiding your IP address. However, it can cause issues with Spotify. To fix this, you can temporarily disable your VPN connection and try to use Spotify again. Lastly, if nothing works, there could be a problem with the Spotify app on your phone. You may be using an outdated version of the app, or it's buggy. In any case, updating the app is likely to resolve the issue. To do that, head to the Play Store or App Store and search for the Spotify app. If a newer version is available, tap on Update to install it. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully fix the "something went wrong" error in Spotify for Android and iPhone. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.